Hello everyone, Philip from Scan Unlimited. Today I wanted to show you guys basically how to source, but also how not to source. Some people might get tied up with certain metrics and certain stats to say whether something's good or not. And I kind of wanted to make a video about maybe going a little bit more in depth on that. Maybe not looking at a product just from its cover, so to speak. So let's jump into this and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So I have a product list for this example, and we're going to clean this up and we're going to get into Scan Unlimited. So if you remember from my previous video, you got to get rid of all this crap, and we just want to make sure that we have our header row right at the top and that you want to make sure it's the first sheet in the Excel document. And remember, make sure that when you're uploading something to Scan Unlimited, you want to have a UPC column, you want to have a cost column to you, and item number would be nice. So let's save that and let's get this into Scan Unlimited. Okay. So again, click on the green action button to get started. Let's click to select a file. In this case, I have no idea where oh, it's right here, duh, sorry. And let's start to fill in the form. So in this case, remember it was UPC was the identifier. Let's give it a better name. This company is actually called Melissa and Doug, so I'm just gonna call it Melissa for short. The UPCs are in the UPC column. Yes, we're going to do the US marketplace. The cost is located in the unit price column. It's all in US dollars. We're going to track in the product feed. It does have headers. The file has headers. Custom columns, we're going to do item number, and let's do case. And let's get started. We are now in the file. It is done processing, and we're going to take a look at the Melissa and Doug product list. So I'm going to sort by sales rank as I usually do, and something right away you're probably going to notice is the sales rank. And I picked this company on purpose because they make amazing toys. It sounds like an advertisement, but what I mean by that is, as a seller, they make lots of products that sell really, really quickly. So I mean, their top product in this product list that I just searched is ranked 5. 5. That's really good. That's at least selling a few thousand units a month. But there's always something else to it, right? It's not always about rank. And I'm sure some people out there are experienced enough to know, like, it's more than just rank. It's not just about picking the product that has the best rank. And sorry, but this video is not catered towards you. This video is to help people that might be misled by other people to think that you want to source products that have high rank. If you use Scan Unlimited, I think it becomes a little it becomes easier to be able to tell right away why you shouldn't source something that just has a good rank. So let's take this one as an example. If you were to purchase this from Melissa and Doug as a retailer, it would cost you $2.49 each. And then right now the buy box is $5. Now, if you're ever worked in retail, you'll know that that's pretty typical. That's called Keystone. It's where you have double your wholesale price is the retail price. So when looking at this, it's like, well, seems like it's fine. There's nothing wrong with it in terms of pricing. It's the typical retail price. The rank is amazing. Let's just open this up just to see what kind of demand this is. I'm just curious. I use Jungle Scout to check the demand. If you guys are interested in learning about this piece of software, it's not mine, but I'll put a link in the description box to point you guys to where to get this. It's a Chrome extension, so it's really easy to use. You just click the button, and there you go. You get all this data. Sales, wow, 17,723. That is insane. So, and you might be thinking I'm crazier because I'm telling you not to buy that. And I think that becomes very apparent when you look at the ROI at the end. So the Amazon fee is $4.19, which the fees just recently went up again, and so you gotta remember to account for that. And your ROI would be a whopping negative 67.9% ROI. So it's not always about which rank is the best. You want to get a good combination of the two. So let's kind of go through here, and you might identify some other things that would be a good combination. So it's looking like 19% might be your only bet, but if a more experienced seller would recognize that generally when you're buying wholesale, you want to avoid ranks that are too good. I know that sounds crazy. Like that's why wouldn't I want to source those? They're too good. There's too much attention on those items. Everybody will source that item. You want to kind of go where the crowd is not going. So if you just keep scrolling down, one thing you'll start to notice is hopefully we'll see a little bit more green. Well, I see one green here. When I say green, I mean the ROI is green, in the green. Here you go. 778 sales rank. Cost $199, price $749. Fee is $431. That's an ROI of 59.8%. Let's see how many units that is. Again, I'll jump in here. Check how many units. 2,227. I don't personally buy Melissa & Doug, but if you're out there and you see this video first, I recommend taking a look at this product. I hope that helps you understand what I mean by not necessarily buying the product that has the best sales rank, but rather going for an item that has a good ROI and sales rank in combination, and also looking at the amount of offers and other things. You want to look at all the metrics, not just be set on just a few metrics. Like the video if you found it helpful, and consider subscribing so that you can get a bunch more useful wholesale related sourcing tips. If you're interested in Scan Unlimited, please visit us at scanunlimited.com. Thanks again. Bye.